Hi there, students. To upbraid, upbraid, one word, a verb. I think probably an upbraiding as a noun. Okay, this is to criticize somebody severely, very strongly, to say that they've done something wrong and they shouldn't have done it, and you're very angry with them. So my boss gave me an upbraiding for overstepping the limits of the scope of my job. Yeah, to reprimand, to reproach, to tell off. Yeah, to be angry with somebody, to rebuke, to scold. So I was upbraided for my untidy appearance, my dishevelled appearance. Okay, to find fault with somebody, to criticize vehemently. Okay, to if you upbraid someone, you tell someone they've done something wrong, and they criticize you. I think to upbraid is pretty strong. Yeah, he upbraided me in front of the whole team, and it was extremely embarrassing. Yeah, I hate being upbraided. He gave me a very severe upbraiding. Okay, an upbraiding. So to upbraid, to reprimand, to rebuke, to lecture, to haul on the carpet, to berate, to read the riot act, to tell off, to reprove, to give someone a ticking off, to excoriate, to tear someone off a strip, to bawl someone out, to give someone a slap on the wrist, yeah, a slap on a rap on the knuckles, to chew somebody out, to bawl out. Wow, that's a lot of synonyms. So to upbraid somebody for doing something. Yeah, I was upbraided for being late 5 days in a row. Yeah, I was severely criticized. Okay, so yeah, to upbraid somebody for doing something. It's not very nice being upbraided. I think this is probably stronger than to tell off and to rebuke. It's probably louder and longer. Yeah. Um, let's see, formality. I'm going to give this word 6.5. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, probably better in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think informally I just use the phrasal verb to tell off, to give someone a telling off, to tear them off a strip. Yeah, this is on the formal side. And as to origin, well, there's an Old English word, upbraiding, meaning to upbraid. Yeah, the braid I think here is a sudden movement or to weave together. This probably comes from Proto-Germanic bregdana, to flicker, to jerk, to twitch, to move. Okay, so to upbraid. No, that's not strong enough. What the hell do you think you were doing when you... That's more like upbraid, yeah? To be very angry with someone, but remember it's a fairly formal phrase. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To upbraid and upbraiding.